So I decided to make teriyaki chicken and shrimp bowls for the first time ever. If you're interested in seeing how I did it, keep watching. So these are my ingredients. I'm starting with the pure sesame oil, choy soy sauce, brown sugar, garlic, and rice vinegar, and then some honey, and these are my seasonings. I'm taking the adobo to start and sprinkling it all over my chicken, as well as following up with some sazon. The sazon is very low in sodium but super flavorful. And I'm taking the choy soy sauce that is gluten-free for this recipe. I'm using about a quarter cup of that, and then adding in some brown sugar. This is where I kind of started to freestyle. I like to kind of, taste as I go with my DIY stuff. So I'm adding some rice vinegar. Not DIY, but y'all know what I'm trying to say. A recipe that I'm kind of crafting as I go. So then adding some honey, and so with this is where you can control the recipe a little bit and get some more sweetness if you want to. I'm taking some garlic and adding about 2 teaspoons of garlic, but if you do not want such a powerful garlic flavor, you can do just 1 teaspoon instead. And then a teaspoon of the pure sesame oil. This stuff right here is bomb. It's just gonna give it like that really Asian flair. So I wanted my sauce to be a little sweeter, so I'm adding some honey and brown sugar just to sweeten it up. And now that my pot of rice is finished, it's time for the fun part. I am starting with extra virgin olive oil, and I placed my skillet on about 7, I want to say, and I'm just gonna start stirring the chicken so that it starts to brown. Then adding your teriyaki sauce, you're just gonna allow the chicken to definitely start to stir it up and get it fully engorged in the sauce, but allow the chicken to sit and fully soak up the sauce. I would say give this process about 10 minutes at least. Once you've allowed it to set, it will look like this as the finished result. Now for the shrimp, I'm just repeating the same steps, cooking them on low, stirring as I go, and then taking some more some more teriyaki sauce and putting it on top. I actually need to turn my stove down because you see it's bubbling up out of control right here. So really outdid myself. Like, this is a finished product. If you guys think this looks bomb and you want to see more cooking segments with me, most definitely let me know in the comments, like this video, and subscribe. Bye.